Here is the tutorial to walk you through how to create a Google Business Profile, formerly known as a Google My Business or Google Business Listing. By creating a Google Business Profile, it may appear in search results at the top, giving your business more visibility and a higher chance of conversions. Best of all, it's free. So let's get into it. First, make sure you have a Google account for your business, and if you need to create one, it's best to use a business email rather than your personal email for this. Keep in mind with website.com, you can create a professional email at your domain name. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'm on business.google.com, and I'm going to click Start Now. I'm already logged into my Google account, so I'll go ahead and add the business name. Once that's done, I'll click Continue. Now here you can choose your business type. Keep in mind that you can choose multiple types if that is the case for your business. I'll click that, and now I'll click Next. Now you can select your business category. It's best to choose one that is broad enough that people will search on Google or Google Maps. Moving on, we'll choose your location for business. You want to add areas or towns that you're servicing, but don't go too broad, as Google may remove your listing if they find your servicing area is unrealistic. So typically you'll want to keep all your service areas within a 2 hours drive of each other as a rule of thumb. You can always add more later. We'll click Next. Now add your phone number and website. Having a website is an asset for your business, and listing it here will help legitimize your business and convert customers who find you from your listing. At website.com, you can get your domain name, build your website using the site builder, and make a professional domain email address all in one place. So make sure you check out website.com to boost your business. So for Put Your Business on the Map, you can choose the level of communications from Google for tips and tricks to help your business profile. And now this next step is very important. You will need to verify that you and your business are legitimate. So some verification options that Google will offer you include verifying your phone number with a code, having them send physical mail to your business address with a PIN on it to enter later, or video verification of your storefront or business operations. So select from one of the available options that Google will provide you based on your account info. They may also verify your account by sending a code to your email address. It may take a few days for Google to verify your account. But let's continue and add our business hours. So you want to make sure that this is accurate, as many users look up Google Business Profiles for this exact information. If you have differing seasonal hours, you can make changes to your business hours at any time in your business profile account. Now add your business description, and this will appear on your listing, so keep it concise and relevant. We would recommend a few sentences at most to capture attention and ensure that users know right away what your business offers. Now you can add photos of your work or business, and when users leave reviews in the future, they can also add photos to your listing. For this tutorial, I'll just click skip, but this is a very helpful tool for your own listing. Now you can click through the rest, and Google will present some promos and offers for paid services that you can go through. And once your verification has been completed, your profile should be live on Google. So that's it. As you can see, it's so simple to create a business profile on Google, and in partnership with your own website, it can bring more customers and help boost your online visibility. We hope that was helpful, and make sure you subscribe to Website.com for more website and online presence tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.